The Retro Alpha Wolf is yet another exciting electric pickup truck that's going to be making its way into the market very soon. And this one is being branded as potentially being America's most affordable electric pickup truck, yet having a lot of functionality, a little bit more compact in terms of its length. But I'm going to explain to you guys why I think it's still going to be a worthy off-road capable pickup truck. Definitely having some exciting things underpinning, obviously main one being affordability. So with the upcoming launches of pickup trucks such as the Rivian R1T, Tesla Cybertruck, Lordstown Endurance, GMC Hummer EV pickup, the electric Ford F-150 and the electric pickup truck segment is getting quite busy, and many of these trucks start around $70,000. So Alpha Motors here with the new compact electric pickup trucks Wolf model, we see a totally different take on the segment. And after revealing the retro style Ace Coupe with the Jax crossover as well, the California based company is making its way into the world of electric trucks with a starting price of $36,000. The Wolf is the most affordable electric pickup truck yet, and is even cheaper than the Tesla Cybertruck. Adding tax incentives, could be priced in less than $30,000 USD. And a little bit in terms of its size, it's 190 inches long, 76 inches wide. Alpha Motor Corporation intends to supply the truck with 75 to 85 kilowatt lithium ion batteries, which will have an estimated 275 to 300 miles of range. It's supposed to be able to do 0 to 60 in 6.2 seconds, so nothing crazy. But again, I don't think it's really designed for that. Available in four-wheel drive or front-wheel drive, and in contrast to the Cybertruck's futuristic wedge-shaped styling, the stainless steel body of the Alpha Wolf sort of takes more of an old-school design styling, but I do like the modernized look of it. It definitely has a little bit of that EV feel while still maintaining that pickup truck design language that we like, the aggressive sportiness. Shown in an SF blue finish inspired by the sky in San Francisco. The colorway is quite cool. Front mount bull bar, roof mounted lights, roll bar, all these types of things are available on this SUV. Given SUV based pickup truck, that is, because I think they're going to be making an SUV as well. But as I said, electric pickup truck, a rugged appearance while the underbody protection makes it ready for that off-roading adventuring. Inside, there's room for 2 occupants. Unlike the exterior, the cabin looks modern and is appointed with an abundance of tech, including a digital instrument cluster and a central portrait display. Customer deliveries for the Alpha Wolf are planned for 2023 officially, so we have that in mind. Hopefully, we're going to see more of a working prototype potentially being tested off-road soon, something that we saw with the Rivian. If you guys are interested in that, I'll include it in the description below. But again, exciting stuff from a Retro Alpha Wolf electric pickup truck.